Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to compress files using built-in Windows tools, and also doesn't require additional software. And uncompressed files can silently eat up gigabytes of space on your Windows PC, slowing things down and cluttering your drive without you even noticing. Then you can easily compress files to save on storage space without having to delete anything. And I'll show you how to do that. So all you have to do is to use this NTFS file compressions. So all you have to do is to select a file or folder. So this is for the example files. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and select properties, and then pop up this file properties. And the next step, so under at the general tab, and then you need to click this advanced button settings and then click, and then pop up these advanced attributes on how to compress these files. So all you have to do is to select this compress or encrypt attributes. And then we have two options here. Number one is the compress contents to save this space, and the other one is encrypt contents to secure data. So all you have to do is to select or check this box, compress contents to save this space, and then once you click in this box, and then you need to click this OK. And then next click apply, and then click OK again. Alright, so you can see now these files and you can see these icons. This is the compress icons. Alright, so that's it guys. So it's very simple. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to your PC. If it was, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having files and folders compressions problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows. And thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.